All right. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing great. All right. So yesterday was a good day. Also, I did take one loss, and I'll just take you guys through what happened in the loss and jump in the forecast because what I put out yesterday was actually what happened, and yeah, that's how I actually was able to make my profits. So yeah, so yesterday we are not gonna go through the whole process, but we just go down to the entries. So I was talking about the entries and I was looking at this area. So yeah, I was looking at this area on the dollar and on the 1 hour. Let me just do this. So on the 1 hour. So yeah. All right. So over here. So over here, I was looking at this auto block and mirrored onto this area we had this other block. So I was looking at these two areas to take my short and longs, but I'm not trading on this one. So I was looking at these areas to take my shorts. So what happened was that we had this displacement. So once I saw this displacement, I was thinking maybe price is going to reject from this area. So I did take a risk in taking this trade and I wasn't also sure, so I still used 0.5 to take my trade, like half percent to take this trade, and as you can see, I lost it. And since I've already lost 0.5, I can't risk 1% anymore. So I had to risk 0.5 for this one also. And I only take two trades in a day, so this was the last trade that I took and pan out well. And I actually got out around this area. I was looking at this fair value gap. I know I told you guys to, if normally I'll use the 4 hour PDR, right? Because I took the trade on 1 hour, I'll be looking at the 4 hour and I'll be taking out my trade on this other block. But I didn't do that because of the news event. So the news event was going to strike, and once price actually reached this fair value gap, I was actually okay because it was around 3R. Yeah, 3.3R. Yeah, around that area. I just got out, and then yeah. So this is the trade for yesterday and the forecast now. So now, so earlier on we were looking, we didn't know where price is going to go. If it's going to, as I said it before, I didn't know if price is going to reach for this other block or go straight down. So as you can see, price is going to reach for this other block, and the reasons being, when we go to the 4 hour of the dollar, on the 4 hour on the dollar, we can see this other block here. After price respected this other block, we had a run up high, and we are seeing a displacement, a clean displacement to the upside, and then we see another displacement high. This is what I'm not too sure about, but I'm just going to stick with this for the meantime. So we see this clean displacement to the upside, and it's actually closing above this this high, so it's kind of legit. So what we are seeing is we see price also closing above the 50% of this order block that we have here. I don't consider this as an order block because of the range that it has. So I consider this one as an order. I consider this one as an order block, and you can see in the mean threshold we see price closing above the 50%, telling us price is going to be bullish because this order block is not holding anymore. And then now, since this other block has been broken, now we expect this other block to hold, because we do see a displacement closing above this high. So we do see a clean displacement, and price, I know price is going, well, I'm anticipating a downwards price because we do have this SMT divergence. See price taking out this high and price failing to take this low. So this is a SMT divergence, and now I'm thinking, I'm very confident that price will eventually come down to this point, and we might be looking to see price to take uh, the trade up into the zone, to the daily order block. So yeah, this will be what I'll be looking at for today. I'll be looking to see price come down into this area. We could go up and ignore this one, but now this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking to see price go into the zone and see the reaction of these areas. This area. So as I said earlier, yeah, we do have we want to see price, go up because of these confluences that we have in the marketplace. So also I'll be looking to take the trade at this other block, which is this small tiny one. I might refine it to the one, or I'm still considering how I'm going to take this trade. So it might be this area that I'll be looking to take the trade, or I'll just take the trade over here. So it depends. So I'm looking at what price is going to do today before I take the trade. All right, so this is all I have for you guys today, and hope you guys tune in tomorrow. Enjoy.